Good morning, dear students. How are you? Okay, let's start our today's class. Today I'm going to teach you area of a rectangle. How can find area of a rectangle? Okay, listen carefully. Let's go to our class. But first, area of a rectangle. You can see these in your book. Measure of space. Everyone look carefully. Look at the red and blue rectangles. There is two rectangles given here. That is this one, first red and second blue. Then question is, which has more space within? In which rectangle has more space? In which rectangle has more space within? You can look. Then how can find which rectangle has more space? You may place the blue rectangle on the red rectangle. Okay, we can see at a glance that the red rectangle has more space inside. You can say at a glance the red rectangle, this one has more space. The red rectangle has more space. Okay, then what can you say about the space within two 10 rupees? Suppose in your hand there is two 10 rupees, then my question is, for which 10 rupees has more space? Question, what can you say about the space within two 10 rupees? That both are same. The area, the space of that both 10 rupees are same. Then what about if it is 10 rupee notes and 100 rupee note? Suppose in your hand there is one 10 rupee note and 100 rupee note, then my question is, which has more space within? Which has more space within? Thus, you can easily say that 100 rupees. You may place the 10 rupees above the 100 rupees. That's that time you can see the 100 rupee note has more space within. The 100 rupees note has more space within. Then what is our steps? We can place one another. Okay, what has more space? That I told you 100 rupees has more space within. Then let's go to the next. Ravi. It is Ravi. Ravi has two cardboard pieces. He is trying to find out which has more space. One green and one red. Okay, orange. Then Ravi has two cardboard pieces. He is trying to find out which has more space within. He placed one above other. That we done in our previous questions. We placed. So Ravi placed one above other. Then can he say which has more space inside? Why? No. Here you can look here is more space, and in case of green, here is more space. So we can't say which has more space. Once again I am saying, Ravi has two cardboard. First one is green, second red. Then find out which has more space. Ravi placed one above the other, but he can't say why. Here red is here more, but green is here more. Okay, now all we have to do is see how many squares of the same size can be cut out from each. Okay, let's check that way. Let's check how many squares can we cut from green cardboard and how many squares can we cut from red cardboard. Let's check that. Once again, let's check how many squares of the same size can be cut out from green, and how many squares of same size can be cut out from red? Let's check that one. Listen. At first we have to measure the length and width of the cardboard. For cutting, at first we want to measure the length and width of the each cardboard. It is our first cardboard. It is Ravi's green first cardboard. It is Ravi's red, that is second cardboard. Then let's measure the length and width. Suppose length is given here 6 centimeter and width also given here 5 centimeter. In red cardboard, length is given the 7 centimeter and width is given the 4 centimeter. Then my question, how many squares can you cut from green rectangle? How many squares, 1 centimeter squares, can you cut from green rectangles? So let's cut. At first I am cutting here 6 centimeter total, 1 centimeter, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then cut like this way. Then first row, in first row you can cut how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In first row you can cut 6 squares. Here 6 centimeter, so you can cut 6 squares from first row. Then how many row is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then total how many will be there? That is 5 into 6. You may count 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, that you will get 30 squares. Then this case, how many square is there in first row? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares you will get from first row. Then how many row is there? That is 4 rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 into 7. You will get 28 squares. From green you will get 30 squares, and from red you will get 28 squares. Now how many? Now which has more space? The green has more space. That is, area of green board is equal to 5 into 6. 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. That is 30 square centimeter. How can I write that? 30 square centimeter. Then in this case, in red rectangle's case, area of red rectangle is equal to, red board is equal to 4 into 7. I told you that 4 into 7. 4 into 7. 4 into 7 means 28. 28 square centimeter. Now can you say which one has more space? That is, the green one has more space. Ready? Next, find the area of the given rectangle. Find the area of the given rectangle. A rectangle will give to you this one. Width 5 centimeter, length 9 centimeter. Then how much is the area? Area is equal to width into length. That you have to study. Everyone study that. Area of a rectangle is equal to width into length. Or you may study area of a rectangle is equal to length into width. Area of a rectangle is equal to width into length. How much is width here? 5 centimeter. So is equal to 5 into 9. How much is 5 into 9? Is equal to 45. 45 what? 45 square centimeter. 45 what? 45 square centimeter, not 45 jackfruit. 45 square centimeter. Okay, I'm giving one more question to you. This one. This is there in your textbook. Find the area